Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite moisturizers that you can apply with retinol or tretinoin in general. So I had a lot of requests in my comment section where all my subscribers were asking me, oh Avi, which one is really good? Which one should I wear with retinol or with my tretinoin? So these moisturizers that I'm sharing today are my current favorite, and I'm using it with my tretinoin application on my skin at nighttime, and I absolutely love it because they retain the moisture. Because when you're using retinol, your skin tends to dry out a lot, and you have breakouts, you have water loss, and you want to have a healthy skin barrier, especially when your skin is regenerating. It is making new cells, and new cells are coming on the top layer. You want a thick moisturizer which can help with moisturizing purpose. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing my least favorite moisturizer to my top favorite moisturizer, and I basically can't live without my top favorite moisturizer. So stick till the very end because I'm going to be disclosing one after one moisturizer. I'm going to talk about what are good things about this moisturizer and why is it my top favorite and why is it my least favorite. So the first moisturizer that I want to talk about, the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factor with hyaluronic acid. I have spoken about this moisturizer in my all videos, and I keep telling that this is a really good moisturizer. I absolutely love this formulation. The Ordinary came up with a very simple moisturizer, and this is one of the moisturizer that I like. The consistency is quite thin as compared to the different moisturizers that I wear. I wanted to show you how it looks like. It's just a very thin consistency. It's not like really great for retinol application, but it's safe because it doesn't have any sort of active ingredients present in it. So I'm just like applying a little bit. There you go. It's just very lightweight. It's not like really amazing product, but I don't know, I find it very lightweight. It doesn't have any active ingredients, as I mentioned. It's good, but not my favorite. It's least favorite. If you can't get other moisturizers that I'm gonna mention, then you can try this moisturizer out with your retinol and your tretinoin. So the next moisturizer that I absolutely love is from Bioderma. It is for normal to very dry skin type. The formulation is just outstanding. It is with the paraffin mineral oil, it has rapeseed oil, it has shea butter. It is so good, and it also has prebiotics. So these prebiotics help in the growth of good bacteria on your skin. If you have acne prone skin, you can use it. It is a bit thick in consistency just because it is made for dry skin type, but it does a good job when you are applying tretinoin. Then this moisturizer is a good choice. You can also apply it. I just wanted to tell you that it's a bit thick, so just be cautious, just apply a little bit. But if you have like very dry skin, you can use it just as a moisturizer all over your body, and you can also use it on your skin, on your face, let's say. So it's just a good choice. I love this one. I have 500 ml, so you can understand how much I like it. The next moisturizer is my third favorite. I love it. I just love it. I don't have any words to compare it with. It is the La Roche-Posay and AP+M. It is from the Microbiome Science. Amazing moisturizer. It has shea butter, niacinamide in it. Niacinamide is such a good ingredient in general, and it is in a lower percentage, which is like the adequate amount to be administered on the tropical creams. And this moisturizer has that. It is less than 3% and amazing formulation. It gives benefits on the skin. It also helps with improving your skin condition. It is good for the places where you are living in cold and your skin is totally dry, and also used for the tretinoin. I am actually using this recently for my tretinoin application. After my tretinoin has been absorbed into my skin, I use this moisturizer. It does a very good job. The best part about this moisturizer is that the babies can use it, adults can use it, children can use it. It doesn't have any restriction, and I love this formulation. Just look at it. It doesn't have fragrance. It doesn't have any sort of ingredient that can have an allergic reaction. Just my favorite pick. The next moisturizer that I absolutely love is from the CeraVe. It is the moisturizing cream. I have spoken about this cream in my lot of videos. I've been using it a lot. It's really nice. You see, I bought a very big tub. It is 454 gram. I love its like consistency. It is not that thick, not that thin. It's just accurate, you know. It's like a nice it's like a nice viscous liquid, which is kind of, you know, sitting on the skin. It's just a nice cream in general. I love it. I've used it for ages. Big fan of CeraVe. If you haven't watched my videos, you should, because I always keep talking positive things about CeraVe brand. There are a few products that I don't like. I absolutely don't like it, but this one is my top favorite. I love it. Anyone can use it. Dry skin type. If you have acne skin, it's also good for you. The consistency is like not very thick. It sits on your skin very well. It feels like you're not wearing any moisturizer. The consistency just rocks. There are ceramides in it. Ceramides help with restoring your skin, and it helps with improving your skin barrier because it helps with attaching two skin cells together, so you have like a thick and nice plumpy skin. So that's the best thing about this CeraVe formulation. I absolutely love it. The only thing is that the huge packaging comes in a tub. Rather, it should come in a tube. That would be really great, because tube will help to retain that shelf life of the ceramides, because ceramides in contact with oxygen lose all that ability. And I take the big tub because I use it all over my body after shower and also on my face, but it's usually in the summertime I like to wear this one because it's not that thick. But in winter time, I'm going to talk about my top favorite moisturizer that I use it in the winter time. That is just my absolute outstanding moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer that I was bragging about all the time, and it is again from La Roche-Posay. It is a Cica Plus balm with vitamin B5, which is panthenol, and it also has methocassoside. Methocassoside is an antioxidant. It removes all the free radical from your skin and helps your skin to have a healthy and like a natural, younger looking skin. It's just amazing ingredient, amazing formulation. I am so in love with this formulation. I have no words, no other cream to compare, because in winter time it does a beautiful job in moisturizing your skin. Trust me when I say it. In Vilnius, the winter reaches up to -20, and at that time you need a powerful moisturizer. It needs to retain the water, it needs to moisturize your skin, because your skin tends to dry out when it's cold. And this moisturizer does an amazing job. I use it twice a day, and that is it. I mean, with retinol, especially in winter, it tends to dry out your skin 2 times more, and this moisturizer just helps you out with it. It is just such a good product. Oh my god, I just can't speak more. I just love it so much. I think you should try this out with your Retinol. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. You will thank me later. That is how good this moisturizer is. So yeah, that is it. That are my top 5 picks for the Retinol application, and also the moisturizer that goes well with the retinol or Retinol. I just love it. And if you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below, and also contact me on my Instagram account. This is my Instagram account, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me personally. I would love to answer them, and I will also help you out with understanding how the skincare formulation works. Make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. And I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.